to Tbilisi, Georgia. The local time here is 1:35 in the afternoon. For safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within the designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with Cathay Airways and the One World Alliance. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Cathay Airways going places together. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you.